Phew, that was a job. Hi Judd here. We're in Florida and the sun kills everything. And believe it or not, see this door handle, see you got this piece. And underneath that piece is a framework. Well, this whole piece, this front piece, which is what you actually grab, snapped off on my back door. Now to change out that thing, you got to take the whole damn door apart from the inside, which I didn't feel like doing. So instead, what I did, I formed this very special metal piece out of an old tin can with some bends in it to grab the pressure points where the actual mechanism is engaged, and put it on there with some nylon reinforced strapping tape, which I managed to get behind the remaining mechanism and wrapped around this. So now I've got a working door handle. I mean, I'm usually alone in this car. It's just a matter of getting groceries or stuff out of the back. So it's not like, you know, I'm penalizing anybody. Anyways, we'll see how long that lasts. And it saved me having to take the whole damn door apart, which I didn't want to do. Did I mention that? Happy day to you.